This song is dedicated sa ating lahat,
O ito, papadala to sa Kuala Dubai.
sa kanyang pinamahal sa buhay. Woman,
Alang sa Adonai, dos, 2 piso.
I will love you always. And
Walang halo dito.
promise I'll give you the best, my love, giving more than life to me.
Naantok ako.
And I love you more than words can say. You'll be the only one that I love for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you endlessly. And feel you, girl, in my arms always.
O, alang sa Adonai, dos. Sweet music.
Yes, yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I breathe for, and there's nothing I want more. I need you. I need to have you in my life. I want you always by my side. Now and for always, whisper the words to me that we will always be together. Just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, like moonlight through every morning with you. Always. Hello. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. I want to give you all my life, my heart, my soul, my life, everything that I am. Always.
Thank you.
Thank you.
O, pwede ka na ipadala din sa Dubai.
Thank you.
Okay.